the last step in receiving a retainer. After we've set up the client, we've set up the matter, we've set up the client ledger, we've set up the client subledger, is to move the funds, because we're hitting that header line. We're hitting the trust fund line. That's the top line of the header liability account. And I can show you on a balance sheet here. Let me just take you to a balance sheet to show you where those monies went, because we use the item that kind of pointed to that. I'm going to create a balance sheet here really quickly. I'm going to come to this month. Let me find it here. This month, run the report. Now take you into the bank account, and you're going to see Mr. Lampman's money coming in here. I'll just take you into the transaction and take you to this little box called More and the transaction journal, so you can see the areas where the actual money hit behind the scenes using the item, if it loads. And this is that back side, right? So we're seeing that it hit the trust liability account, the parent account, and then it's hitting this bank account. So you can always come here to see the debit and the credit if you want to see how it comes in. But it's hitting this trust liability account at the top level. It's not actually hitting the sub account that we've created. So how do we fix that? We're going to come over here to the new button, and we're going to make a journal entry to fix that. And I know journal entries sometimes scare people, but this is an important piece. So in this case, we're going to take that header account. So funds held in trust, that's where it's sitting right now. And we want to move it. So it's going to be $5,000, and it's going to be in the description line. You want to say to move Lampman retainer to sub client ledger. And then over here, I'm going to move it to Lampman. So I'm just going to type in Lampman, and I want it to go into that other current liability, but I wanted to hit his ledger line. And then of course you can put in here Lampman. So this is going to connect it to the AR piece. I can hit this account, and I'm going to put the same thing here to set that up. And if you're using class and location, obviously you'll have to put those in as well, and then hit save. Now, if I go back to my balance sheet that we were just on and go back to the report that we were in, the fast way to find this, if you have a lot of matters and sub matters like I have, I mean, you can scroll down. He didn't have a number, so that's going to be a factor. But what you can do is hit Command F or Control F on your computer, type in Lampman, and as you can see, it's going to show me right here where he is on that list. So that's a little tip or trick and of the trade, and I hope that's helpful. Now you're going to see it there. We've now moved it out of that header account, so we moved it out of this top account where it was sitting, because that's where we pointed it to by using that service or product. We moved it out of this trust liability account, and we moved it down into the sub ledger. So now we're tracking the money for each client under each client's register. It's the best way to handle this kind of work.